Hello everyone! In this video we are going to do a very simple math problem, and you're going to be surprised that many of you are actually going to get this wrong. So I don't want you to use your calculator, and of course here's the problem. We have 9 divided by 3 divided by 9 divided by 3. So what is the answer? Of course, most of you out there I can handle this. This is basic division, and I learned this in the 3rd grade. So go ahead and put your answer into a comment section. And I'm going to show you the correct answer in just 1 minute. And then of course I'm going to really emphasize this extremely important topic. So let's go ahead and take a look at the correct answer, okay? So the answer is either going to be 101 over 9, yeah? So some of you have the answer as 1, other as 1 over 9, and it can turn into a big argument. So, as you can see, two options, this is not a hard expression. As you can see, I show you a PMDMC order right here, the order of operations. So we need to start with parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication, then division, addition, and subtraction. But this is really interesting and really good case for us, because right here, take a look closely. We have parentheses. Do we have parentheses? We don't have parentheses. Do we have exponent powers? We don't have it. We don't have multiplication. We don't have addition. We don't have subtraction. We have only one addition. Only one addition. So this is really great, because if you will have for example, division, addition, and multiplication, this is really hard and complicated. But right here, no huge numbers, and we have only division. And how can we solve this problem correctly? So right now I'm going to write this problem right here. So I write it. We'll have 9 divided by 3 divided by 9 and divided by 3. So I write it for those who choose option A, option 1. So I think that many of you solve it like that. So 9 divided by 3 equal to 3, and 9 divided by 3 equal to 3. And the last step, 3 divided by 3 right here equal to 1. Yeah, so I think a part of you solve it like that, but I want to say you that this is absolutely incorrect approach, absolutely incorrect expression. And I want to show you why this is incorrect and why it will be correct. So I write this once more. So we will have 9 divided by 3 divided by 9 and divided by 3. Yeah, so you want the answer 1, yeah, but this is incorrect. But one really interesting moment, if you write right here parentheses, and right here if you write parentheses, the 1 will be correct answer, because if we are talking about an order from left to right, one really interesting moment from left to right, we have, take a look closely. Do we have parentheses? Yeah, we do. We have parentheses. So we need to start with these parentheses from left to right. The first parenthesis from left, we will have this one. So 9 divided by 3, we will have 3. Let's go next. Second parenthesis, 3. Yeah, let's go next. Exponents. Do we have exponent? We don't have exponent. I don't see any exponents. Next step, multiplication. We don't have multiplication. We still have 3 divided by 3. And this is our fourth part. We have division. So 3 divided by 3 equal to 1. So if you want this answer 1, you need to put parentheses. But this is absolutely incorrect approach if you're talking about order of operation. But what about option B? How can we prove that option B will be correct answer? So take a look closely. We don't have parentheses, we don't have exponent, we don't have multiplication, and we have only our addition. So we need to go from left to right, and let's go step by step from left to right. 9 divided by 3, divided by 9, and divided by 3. Okay, so let's go from left to right. This is the main rule right here, from left to right. So 9 divided by 3. This is our first division sign right here. So let's go. 9 divided by 3 equal to 3. So we have 3, and we have this expression, still have this one. So 3 divided by 9 and divided by 3. Yeah. Let's go next. We have this expression. We don't have this expression. We still have this expression because we divide it right here. So this is our 3 right here. So 3 divided by 9. This is 3 over 9 or 1/3. So this is 1/3, and divided by 3. We still have 3. So right here we divide it. This is our 1/3, and we need to divide it by 3. So if we divide it by 3, As you can see, 1/3 divided by 3, this is like 1/3 times 1/3. If we are talking about like power, if talking about rules, how can we divide it? Oh, I hope you understand how can we divide it. So I write it in another way, like 1/3 divided by 3 or times 1/3. This is like a rule, how can we divide it, how can we multiply it, and this is equal to 1/9. Or in this way, or in this way, this is both way is correct. So our answer is 1/9. So don't be sad about it. So definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. Okay, now if you need to learn basic math, interesting brain test, IQ question, I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel, and if you're struggling with basic math or like pre-algebra concepts, subscribe to my channel. I definitely wish you all the best in your mathematics adventure. So thank you for your time and have a great day. Really interesting math problem. I hope you understand this explanation. I hope you forgot this way when we have like answer is 1, this is incorrect, our answer is 1/9, and this is really important moment. So thank you so much. Don't feel bad if you got this wrong. Everything is okay. Learn this order and go from left to right step by step, and I hope everything will be okay in your life. I definitely wish you all the best in your mathematics adventure. So thank you for your time and have a great day.